Hi, hello everyone. This is Technical Spectator. Welcome back to my new video. I guess you have seen the thumbnail. Today I'm going to show you a website through which you can earn money at online. This video is for teenagers who is sitting at home scrolling the computers, the social medias, looking for the ways to earn money online. So today I have brought a solution for them. Today I'm going to show you a website through which you can earn money by sitting at home by working hard, which is Amazon Mechanical Turk. So in this video I am going to explain how does it works clearly in detail. So don't skip it. Let's get into the video. Let's roll the intro. Firstly, you need to open your Chrome browser and you need to browse like Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon. And you need to click on the first link which appears on your screen. Click on this, and this is actually the website that I want to show you. It is Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is an official Amazon site, so you don't need to worry about anything. And now you need to click on sign in as worker. Here you should be careful that you might even click on sign in as requester, but you just need to click on sign in as worker. And here you can create the Amazon account, or you can even add the pre-existing account. So now I'm creating a new account. After completing your login process, this page will appear. So here you need to enter your details like country of residence. I'll keep India, and here the first name I'll keep technical, and middle name I'll keep spectator. This is actually for demo process, so I'm keeping such names, but when you are logging in, you need to keep your own name. The last name I'll ignore it, and your address you need to enter the appropriate address, and city Hyderabad 11, and state you need to enter your state, and zip or postal code you need to enter the perfect one by browsing it or by knowing it. And other information, here you need to be careful. You need to keep here like how do you hear about Amazon Mechanical Turk. Here you can keep family or friends or blog or social media. For this I'm keeping family and friends. And what is the primary reason you're interested in completing the tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk, which is MTurk. So here I'm keeping I want to learn new skills. So this is the appropriate one. So click on this. And after entering all the details, you need to click on agree and create an account. And the last name it's asking, so I'm keeping like YT, and I'm creating it. After completing the login process, this page will appear. Here the Amazon will review your Amazon Mechanical Turk request, and they will mail you again soon. If your invitation is accepted, they will send you an invitation, and if rejected, you can try it again later with different account. So it takes 2 business days, and after accepting your request, you will getting a login details. By entering it, you can access the account and you can complete the projects and earn money. So this is an extraordinary website for teenagers who is sitting at home, who can even earn money through this. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Like, share and subscribe.